Hi, my name is Robert Ortenzio. I'm here at Yardbird Southern Table and Bar in South Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to make an espresso martini. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our ingredients here. We have an ounce of chilled espresso. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of a good vodka. We're going to use another 1.5 ounces of a coffee liqueur and an ounce of Creme de Cacao, the white variation. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is chill down our glassware. Anytime you make a martini or a drink served neat, you always want to match the temperature of the glass to the temperature of the drink. So a little chilling goes a long way. While that's chilling, we're going to add our ounce of espresso, 1.5 ounces of vodka, one and a half ounces of our coffee liqueur, and 1 ounce of the Creme de Cacao. Ice it down. Give it a good shake. You want to shake this till the tin starts to get frosty on the outside. By now your glass should be chilled properly. Starting to get that frost. And just strain into your martini glass. Nice and easy. Enjoy.